Let's see how to use vanishing point in Photoshop. So this is my poster. I'm selecting this marquee tool and selecting my entire poster and pressing Ctrl C to copy this poster. Then going back to my targeted project and creating a new blank layer. Then selecting the blank layer and going to filter and opening vanishing point. Here I'm selecting a perspective box first of all, just like this, and then I'm pressing Ctrl V to paste the copied poster and simply dragging and dropping the poster inside of this perspective box and pressing Ctrl T, and now I'm just adjusting the poster just like this and then clicking on OK. Now click on this blending mode and select here multiply, and that's it. This is how you can actually use the vanishing point in Photoshop.